Hello students, in this video we will understand the case of multiplication and division for finding out the general rule. Suppose we are taking the example here. This is the question number 7. Okay, the book which I have taken. Sarah has passed class 5. Now for class 6 she has to buy 12 new notebooks and 6 textbooks. If the cost of each notebook is rupees X and that of textbook is rupees Y. Okay, find the total cost of notebook and textbook. It is the question. You have clearly understood that what is told here. It is told here that you are going to find out the total cost of textbook and notebook. Okay, suppose the value of textbook and notebook is known to you. Suppose, then what you are going to do here, you will just multiply the number of notebooks and number of textbooks. Okay, multiply the number of notebook and textbooks with their respective prices. Similarly you will do here also. Okay, and what is going to do here, suppose first of all number of textbook. Okay, textbook, number of textbook is equal to number of textbook is equal to what? 7 was 6 was there. Okay, similarly number of notebook was 7. Okay, and what are the respective prices? Respective prices are here for the case of notebook. For the case of notebook, the price was X rupees. Price of each, I am just writing here notebook in short, NB notebook is equal to rupees X, is rupees X. Okay, similarly price of each textbook is rupees Y, Okay, so respectively you will find out the prices of textbook and notebook. So cost of first of all cost of 6 textbook. Cost of 6 textbook. What are you going to do here? You will just multiply the number of textbook with the price. Okay, will be what? 6 cross Y. 6 cross Y. Okay, similarly cost of 7 notebook is equal to 7 cross X. 7 cross X. 7 multiplied by X. It is our individual cost of textbook, individual cost of notebook. Total cost is equal to what? Total cost is equal to cost of this plus cost of this. It is actually happen here. So 6y plus 7x, or writing in a mannered way, 7x plus 6y. It is written here 7x plus 6y. It is your answer. Okay, so it is a general rule to find out the cost of textbook and notebook. Similarly you can find out the method to calculate when there is a case of division. Now I am giving you example where division case is there. Suppose the price of total price of 6 apples price of 6 apples. Okay, the price of 6 apples are there. The price of 6 apples are there. Okay, it is written something. Again, price of 4 mangoes was written here something. So you have to find out the individual value of or price of one apple and price of one mango. What you are going to do here, you will simply divide the price of total price, the price of total 6 apples with 6 and price of total price of 4 mangoes with the 4. Division case will be there. Okay, and individually you will find out that the price of single apple or each apple, single mango or each mango is this. Okay, so suppose I am taking here a value. Suppose I am taking here a value 24x. Okay, clear, and 20y. Okay, we are going to find out the cost of one apple and mango. One apple and mango. Okay, so what you are going to do here, you will simply divide it. 24x divided by what? 6. Take a barrier here. 20y divided by 4. Just simple cancel it. 6 4 ja 24, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, it is 4x here and it is 5y here. And what is the total cost? You are getting here total cost, and total cost is, we are going to the next page. Cost of one apple and mango is equal to what? 4x plus 5y. 4x plus 5y. It is your answer. 4x plus 5y, it is your answer. So you can easily understand what is the cost of one apple and one mango. It is your answer with the help of division case. I hope you will understand. So thanks for watching.